on me and yelling on me. My crew is crying because of you. Please try to understand there's a God, there are counters, being uplifted. We can only serve what you're
Why are you yelling?
Because you are yelling on us.
Excuse me, please.
No, I am so sorry, sir, but you cannot talk to the crew like that. I am peacefully listening to you with all due respect, but you have to respect the crew as well.
Yes, well, I'm disrespecting.
Then why are you yelling on me, pointing me like that?
You are yelling me on. Why are you yelling?
I was peaceful.
Shut up.
You shut up. I'm sorry, you cannot talk to me like that. I'm also an employee here. Your boarding pass shows sandwiches, so I
You are
can
a
only
servant
serve.
of this.
Yes, I'm an employee. I'm not your servant. And I'm an employee. I am not your servant.
Don't yell.
Then you don't hear
Don't
me.
yell. Bro. Why are you yelling?
I was peaceful.
Shut up.
You shut up. I'm sorry, you cannot talk to me like that. I'm also an employee here. Your boarding pass shows sandwiches, so
You are
I
a
can only
servant
serve.
of this.
Yes, I'm an employee. I'm not your servant. And I'm an employee. I
Clear case of disrespectful and destructive customer. Do you feel cabin crew don't face it on daily basis? Well, as a cabin crew, I have faced it couple of times. In my aviation journey, बहुत बार ऐसे कस्टमर्स आते थे जहाँ मुझे भी ऐसा रिएक्शन समटाइम्स देना पड़ता था या कभी उनको समझाना पड़ता था पोलाइटली. Now here it really matters कि how you are handling angry customer और irritated customer. मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ कि cabin crew गलत है. The situation clearly shows that the person was pointing fingers which is body language के according ही negative है. You can't call somebody servant when that lady on board is all about your safety and security. It is highly disrespectful when you call somebody servant. क्या आप अपनी mothers को भी servant बोलेंगे क्या घर पे? Cabin crew is meant to save your life on board. Services बहुत बाद में आती हैं. To all the aspirant cabin crew who are watching this video, you are for safety and security of the customers. Do not let anybody go against your self-respect.